make my sheet pan chicken with black bean garlic sauce. First, you need to make the sauce. A little bit of that black bean garlic sauce, some honey, and a juicy lime. Then I need to add some heat. I'm chopping up a dried cayenne, but you could use a jalapeno if you wanted to. Give it a good mix. And then cut up your veg. I'm using a sweet pepper here, and I'll add the broccoli later. It all goes on a sheet pan. With the chicken, I'm using chicken thighs. Then a drizzle of olive oil and add half of the sauce before you put this into a 425 oven for the first 20 minutes. Then when you bring it out, make some space and add the broccoli on the sheet pan, a little bit more olive oil, and the rest of your sauce. Back in the oven for 15 minutes, and here you go. Beautiful sheet pan chicken with broccoli and peppers. A little peanuts, some sesame, scallion, and then dig in. This is absolutely delicious.